Good afternoon. The rumor mill is running high. Rocket Mortgage is laying off 1/3 of their not-producing staff. Large and small companies are on the verge of closing down or merging. The reason we mention these things is because we want to assure you that the Colorado Mortgage team is on good footing. We have not engaged in the gimmicky wars that the big boys have been playing for years. Without exception, we have stayed focused on our mission to empower individuals with the information they need to thrive financially for real estate. The Fed is meeting next week and is almost unanimously expected to raise interest rates by 25 basis points. Why hike rates again when inflation is so clearly trending downward? Because core inflation remains too high at around 4.5%. This is mainly due to high shelter costs and a strong employment market. Oh, and the National Association of Realtors released its annual member profile, and in quoting it exactly, the typical realtor was a 60-year-old white female who attended college and was a homeowner. Existing homes are selling like it's 2009. The first half of 2023 is over, and after a promising start for existing home sales, the market tripped on low inventory and fell on its face. June should be a firecracker of a month. Instead, we only got 4.16 million units sold. As a reminder, the most recent low for existing home sales was 4 million in December 2022, and you've got to go all the way back to the Great Recession to see actual full-year sales of around 4.2 million. But it's not all bad news, at least not from the standpoint of owners and potential sellers. The median home prices rose 3.6% month over month to $410,200, the second highest figure on record. National active inventory is around 50% below pre-pandemic levels, and in many cities across the country, the decline in inventory is much worse. Months of supply is stuck at around 3 months. Typical days on market is at 18 and 76% of homes sold in June were on the market, less than 1 month. Here are some more insights from the National Association of Realtors annual member profile. The typical realtor had 11 years of experience. 76% of realtors said they were certain or very certain that they'll remain active agents over the next 2 years. The typical realtor got 27% of their business from repeat customers and 24% from referrals, and 62% of realtors were female. How about the mortgage market? First, the good news. Last week, average 30-year mortgage rates moved down and have so far stayed below 7%. A little bit of relief at least. Then, the bad news. Just about everyone in the market expects the Fed to raise rates by 25 basis points again on July 26, after their very brief pause in June. That would bring the total increase during the tightening campaign to 525 basis points, 5.25%. As a reminder, this does not mean that mortgage rates will automatically rise 25 basis points. That's up to the bond market to decide. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell and his loquacious buddies have, at different times, been looking for 1. 2%-ish inflation, 2. a loosening up of the job market, and 3. a reset for home prices. We're making progress on the primary target, inflation, but so far, the job market remains very tight and home prices are actually moving higher. Always remember that your partnership with the Colorado Mortgage team is your secret weapon. Our team of experienced professionals combine cutting-edge technology with a personal touch throughout the mortgage process. Our commitment to exceptional customer service, accuracy, expertise, competitive rates, and timely loan approvals sets us apart from all the rest.